Alright, so I'm going to be opening up this DELL XPS 15Z L511Z. Alright, we're using a J1 or JS1 or PH1 screwdriver. And it looks like, wow, they really destroyed this thing. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this thing out. We'll find out. Okay, so all the little screw mounts are broken. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to even be able to get this out. I think they tried to just rip it out by hand. This isn't even going to be a good tutorial because these screws are all, yeah, the screw mounts are all messed up. So I don't think I'll even be able to put the screws back in, but we'll see. I'll do what I can. Wow, look at that. Jeez. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to even get all these screws out. I have to like push it down and twist it. The customer just wanted me to remove the hard drives, I guess, so they can make sure there's no data left in there. Okay, I gotta like pull the screws up while I'm undoing it to get them out. Jeez. Okay, I gotta like jam it down really hard and twist it, and then it's kind of coming up. All right, looks like it's working somewhat. I don't think it'll work on every screw, but okay, it's kind of, yep, I think maybe, okay, maybe we'll be able to get these all out. This is way more difficult than I was thinking it would be. Come on. Okay, I think it's coming. Good. It's working. All right. And, okay. I think we're going to be able to get them all out. Good, perfect. All right, this isn't going to be a good representation of how to open this thing up because they already like pried it all out, but we're going to go from the back here and we're going to kind of just wiggle and pull this. Let's see. All right, and yeah, all these ports and everything are kind of broken. You can see they were actually hiding some screws under this piece, and somebody already popped it out, so you can see this. This is pretty rare, this design. They did this on some of the older MacBooks, some of the really old MacBooks where they have these screws going into the side, and I guess the customer was trying to take it out and then they gave up. I don't know. All right, so you can see now we can go ahead and get that up. All right, there was some plastic thing covering this before. I don't know where that is, but anyways, they just wanted to get the hard drive out. I'm assuming they're going to recycle this, so we might as well pop the RAM out as well and save that. Okay, this is DDR3, 4 gig stick. All right. I don't know how useful 2 4 gig sticks will be these days, but yeah, we'll just have it out. And let's go ahead and take the hard drive out. So there's 4 screws holding this thing down. Okay, if I didn't mention already, RAM is PC3 10600S. So if you have this model and you want to upgrade the RAM, PC3 10600S, you should be able to use any PC3 10600S RAM. So if you want, you can even put 2 8 gig sticks. All right. Again, see, these pieces that hold the screws all broke off. So yeah, there's no way I'm going to be able to put that back, so I'm going to hand it back to my customer with the cover fallen off because there's no way I can put it back. You see, these metal stands just fell out on all sides. I don't know where the last one is over here. It probably fell somewhere. Okay, so now that we got the 4 screws, we should be able to lift up here. It's on a cable, so I'm going to just push with my thumbnail out here and get that out. You can see the cable actually connects underneath the motherboard. Interesting. All right, they got this little cable here with a button on it. What's that? Oh, that's the battery checking cable. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to give the customer their hard drive. They just wanted me to take that out. So let's grab this bracket out as well. Okay. And that's pretty much it for getting the hard drive and the RAM out. CPU is soldered to the motherboard, GPU soldered to the motherboard. There's the heatsink right there. Fan is removable with the connector right there. You got the CMOS BIOS RTC real-time clock battery connected here like that. Alright, and I believe this is the DC jack charge port connector, which plugs in up there. Okay, not really much else to look at here. Alright, we're going to get this hard drive bracket out. Okay, just throw that back in there. Let's put some screws in there. I think the customer's just going to e-waste this, so. Alright. Let me somewhat show like the internals, but I'm not going to put it all back together other than just dropping the cover back on. Oh, there's the other screw mount. Actually, there's several more, huh? Alright, all these screw mounts falling out. Alright, optical disk drive. There's a screw here holding it. Alright, oh, there's the other one. It's trapped under the optical disk drive. Okay, let me use some pliers. There we go. This is like a magnesium alloy or something. Okay, what else do we got? So CD drive, one screw there, one screw there. Okay, and it looks like one screw here and here. Okay, then you can slide that out. What are these? Headphone and microphone jacks here. There's a cable plugged in there. Not quite sure where it's going to, somewhere up here, maybe to that. You got the battery connector here. Battery model is 0HTR7. Right, it's right there, 0HTR7. Okay, keyboard connectors under here. It has a flip latch kind of connector. You got these two other connectors. They're not labeled, but this is most likely a keyboard backlight cable, probably touchpad. There's another little cable going under here. It's a bigger one, not too sure. But yeah, just wanted to quickly show, since I was pulling out the hard drive, LCD LVDS connectors here. If you're gonna mess with this connector, make sure to disconnect the battery, open the laptop, and press and hold the power button for at least 15 seconds to drain any residual power. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna put this cover back on, or not really put it back, but we're just gonna drop it on. Alright, and yeah, that's pretty much all there is to this. Thanks for watching, and see you all in the next. Oh, so many broken plastic pieces. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. If this did help you, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their device as well. And if it helped you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. Alright, other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Alright, let's drop this. Bye.